built up for a couple of years now, and it's time to open it up and see what we have got inside. And I'm hoping, whoa, look at that. Whoa, fantastic. Look how many worms. And this is just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, crumbly compost. And I'm going to put it on my new flower bed. Look at this, absolutely heaving with worms. So, if you want to have a go, green joanna, you can put absolutely anything in. It's a sealed container, so you can put cooked food in, as well as raw. And look what you're going to get.